How to remove sebaceous filaments safely. Deep pore cleaning guide. You see tiny dots on your nose. You squeeze them, scrub them, use pore strips, and for a moment, they seem gone. But a few days later, they return. The problem isn't that you're cleaning them, the problem is how you're cleaning them. Today we're talking about how to remove sebaceous filaments safely. First, understand what you're removing. Sebaceous filaments are not dirt. They're not trapped impurities. They're natural oil channels that help transport sebum to the skin's surface. Every healthy pore contains them. Why aggressive removal can be a problem. Many people try excessive squeezing, harsh scrubbing, frequent pore strips, aggressive extraction. This can irritate the skin and make pores appear more noticeable. Step 1. Gentle deep cleansing. Safe pore care starts with proper cleansing. Removing surface oil helps reduce visible congestion without damaging the skin barrier. Step 2. Soften the buildup. Warm water or steam can help soften excess oil before cleaning. This reduces the need for aggressive pressure. Step 3. Controlled extraction. If extraction is performed, it should be done carefully and hygienically. The goal is to remove excess buildup, not injure the surrounding skin. Step 4. Maintain. Don't chase perfection. Here's the truth. Sebaceous filaments will return. Because they're part of normal skin function. Healthy skincare focuses on maintenance, not permanent removal. The biggest skincare myth. Remove them once and they're gone forever. Reality. Reduce their appearance and manage them consistently. Long-term pore care. The best results come from heavy checkmark consistent cleansing, heavy checkmark balanced skincare, heavy checkmark realistic expectations, heavy checkmark avoiding overextraction. Final results. Before, visible sebaceous filaments, oily pore appearance, uneven texture. After, cleaner looking pores, smoother skin appearance, healthier pore maintenance. Final message. The safest way to deal with sebaceous filaments isn't to fight them, it's to understand them. Healthy pores will always contain sebaceous filaments. The goal is cleaner looking skin, not pore perfection. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more skincare education, pore science, and deep pore cleaning content.